You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this neighborhood in Paris, France. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary from French and famous places in Paris, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pigalle is the French pronunciation, how we say it in France. How to pronounce Pigalle. Pigalle. How to pronounce French pronunciation. Pigalle. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, just say Pigalle. Pigalle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.